Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Temu account. So there have been a lot of weird things going on with the Temu app, so that's why a lot of people want to delete their account, and here's how you can do that. The first thing you need to do is go and open the Temu app, of course. Then you simply want to wait till it's opened and you want to go here to the U button at the bottom of your screen. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll a little bit down until you find settings right here and click on it. Now you want to go to account security and you want to click on delete your Temu account. Now you want to make sure I want to enable you want to click on I want to permanently delete my Temu account and all its data, so all your data and everything will be gone. Just click on continue and click on delete. Now what you want to do is you want to verify that it's you. You can use your email verification code to verify or use your password to verify. I will just recommend using your password, it's a lot easier. So just simply type in your password, just like that. And now we can see that my account has been deleted and it will be deleted in 7 business days. That's how you can delete your Temu account. It's quite straightforward. I hope I gave some useful information on this. If I did so, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.